Hi, good morning, yeah. We are going to make gongura kura. Okay, see this one. Come on. See, yeah, this is the gongura plant, pulichekira. The seeds only, I will keep it like this. Again, I will dry and same thing only I'll use. Today, I'm making gongura. How like palak paneer will make, no? Like that only I will decided to make because my doctor is telling iron illa, idi illa. So I thought, okay, iron it's not there, but I don't like to take more medicines. I thought, okay, better we can take the gongura. Okay, so much in the gongura iron is there, calcium and fiber also there, and so many things I know, but when camera is on I cannot even pronounce. It's okay, yeah, no problem, you people know better than me. Now we'll make nice one kura and eat. That's it, already I cut it off. Then see this one, just nicely barku you have to cut. I told it clearly, when you're cutting you have to take the chaku like this only. Don't do like this, bitterness will come like that. Everything I will try before doing all these videos, yeah. If working out properly, then only I'll load, otherwise no. Then anyhow we can do this. Come now, first see, yeah, my pan is ready. Just I am using not necessary much oil in this. So it is hot. Now I use always hing because I like that flavor. And again, see, onion, green chilies. Okay, don't put more, otherwise it will become so much. It's no, then you can't consume a lot. Yeah. Then again I'll put turmeric powder. Not much, don't put turmeric powder more because the color will change. The green color it won't be there. That's it, yeah. Just very easy posy one only. This is tick 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 you have to do, and healthy food at home, that is much better. And fresh leaves and all, so we use the this again. I'm using the little bit curry leaves, and this is the lasan, garlic also too. I told you before itself, don't buy big one. This is a small organic one only you have to buy. That's it, yeah. You okay? Finish. Now close the lid. See, yeah, now close the lid. Onions, that's it. See, don't make golden brown color. Now my this onion is ready for the gongura. Now mash it this one, garlic like this only. Okay, garlic and green chilies also. Now add it my gongura. Okay, like this. Now I want to tell you, always use for the gongura, this is a country tomato, not Bangalore tomato. Bangalore tomato always very sweetness. This is little bit sour, it will be very tasty. Okay, that's all. Now add it everything. That's what I told, 2 minutes. Tuck, 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 your gongura healthy one will be ready. No problems, nicely you can eat. That is a magic, magic, magic. Okay, now you can mix it properly. Always the smell itself for me, my mouth is watering now to eat. Okay, one tomato. If you like, you can add half only, not full tomato, it will be more. So you can add it half tomato like this, burr, 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 and put it. That's it. Okay, finish. Now high flame, it dissolves. See, every day they will tell you one, you have to eat any greens. What will eat? If you are using a dal and all, will consume very less. If you are making like this, like palak and all, you can consume more. That only good part, this one. That's it. Okay, let cook. Then we'll taste and we'll see. Nicely, South Indians, we all, I don't know other people, but I love white rice and gongura. Nicely put little bit of ghee. Oh, that's it, your day. finish. Enjoyment. I don't even like go do this, that, and all. This is only my favorite things to do. Okay. See ya. This one, how is one? Now water its leaves actually because of that steam. And when you are adding the rock salt, very careful. Very less only you have to put. That's all. Okay. Now I'm adding little bit of chili powder also. I told the aroma is so good. I can't even tell you. Now little bit chili powder, very less only. That is depends on you because this is sour, no? So you have to add more chili and more chili powder. The taste will be very nice. See, nicely mix it. The Now you can close the lid. That's it. Yeah. Very, I think not even hardly 10 minutes. That's it. Your sabji is ready. Healthy and tasty one. That's it. Over. See ya. This water only I told you not necessary using more oils. Now see. See inside how nice it will become. See, this is, I'm telling you, if you want, you can add the more oil also. But always we are eating so much oils only, so I don't want. See, I told nicely you can have this one properly. Only main thing is more quantity we can eat if we are doing like this. That's it, yeah. Little bit. This ready now. See, yeah. Now for time to taste actually. See the consistency. And this is enough. Mix it with the rice. Even I'm using with the chapati also, like little bit rice. This is the brown rice, yeah. Kai kuttal arisi, hand pound rice. Okay, like nicely. That's what I told we can consume more if you're making like this. That is the reason I'll do this one. Better I'll eat with the hand only. If you want, you can add little bit ghee. Okay, now nicely. Oh my god, so tasty. I can't even tell you. Now you people can try and let me know. Enjoy.